We have with us the head coach of the Reggae Boyz, Heimir Hallgrimsson. Coach, firstly, our first game is tomorrow against Mexico. We've been in camp for a couple of days now. How helpful or beneficial has it been being in camp for this length of time?
Well, we have now had five sessions here in Houston. I think it's been really fruitful. We've covered a lot of things now. Of course, we're not only thinking about Mexico now. We're doing things like set pieces and stuff that we'll use for the rest of the campaign, because in between game 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 is only recovery days. So we've tried to work ahead, but really good facilities. The Jesuit College has provided a really good service, and the hotel, the people here is really nice and helpful. The Intercontinental here in Houston, so really a 10 out of 10 from Common Ball, the services that we are provided here. So everything is spot on, and hopefully we can be the same when we face Mexico tomorrow.
And for you, coach, you've had many experiences being the head coach of national teams, coaching in Euros, World Cup, Gold Cup, now Copa America. How much are you looking forward to this experience?
Well, it's going to be a huge competition, one of the biggest ones, I would say, probably the one below the World Cup. Now the Euros has been played at the same time. I think Copa America is even bigger than Euros in terms of people watching TVs and all of that. Probably at least a similar size of competition. So it's a big tournament. It's a privilege to be here, and for Jamaica to be in this competition is good for the now and also for the future. It's a lot of experience that the players will gain, the federation will gain for taking part in this competition. So looking really forward to this hopefully 4 or 5 weeks together here in US.
And as you know, coach, there are Jamaicans all across the US, and I'm sure you'll be, looking and hoping to see lots of Jamaican fans in the stands with their flags and their colours all over.
Yeah. A little bit scared of tomorrow playing Mexico, and it's a sellout. What is it? 72,000 seats sold out. I guess it's probably the majority is Mexican, so it's going to be like they are playing at home. But hopefully we can silence them tomorrow, and we will hear them in the Jamaicans that will be in the stands. And I know they will do their best, even though they will probably be a minority tomorrow.